Aloha and welcome to lesson 7 of the beginner ukulele video series. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning a new chord. It's the D minor chord. How do we play it? First finger, first fret, second string, second finger, second fret on the fourth string. And then we've got the third finger on the second fret of the third string. And we strum all the strings together. And that's what it sounds like. Let's take a closer look at the chord. Now let's put this chord in a pattern. The combination is C, A minor, D minor and F. Now we're going to be playing this pattern in two ways. One in an 8th note strum pattern and in the down down up pattern as well. We're going to be doing it at 75 BPM. There will be a pre-bar of 4 beats before we begin. Let's get to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Well done. Now let's do the same thing at 100 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Fantastic. Now let's put this chord in another combination. The combination is C, D minor, F and G. Now let's play this pattern both in the 8th note strum pattern as well as the down down up pattern. Let's begin at 75 BPM with a pre-bar before we start strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4.
Fabulous. Now let's do the same thing at 100 BPM.
1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.
Hope you found this lesson useful. Make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest videos. If you would like to come back and go through any of the material again, go down to the description, click on the relevant playthrough in the timeline, and you can recap it again and again as many times as you like. If you would also like to play a longer version of the playthrough, we've released all the playthroughs as a music album. They're available to listen on all your favorite streaming platforms. If you like what we're doing, make sure you follow us on social media. Our links are in the description below. All your clicks, shares, likes and comments make a big difference to keep this channel going. In order to help us even further, you can become a member on our Gigsy page. The Gigsy page link is in the description below. And above all else, stay safe and keep on uking.